If you read this problem, you can represent it in this way. Fine, this is one approach, but you can also do this, where you can take the amount. This is 5% profit, this is 5% less. Now from here there is 10% profit, and this difference is 0.5, which is 2 rupees. So this is how we have to progress. So this is a problem. What you got to identify is there are not many variations in these kind of problems. He purchases and he sells it. He keeps the list price at a certain extent, and on discounting on the list price you will get the selling price, and there is a profit margin for that as well.
This is the way of actually increasing to a list price and then giving discount. And this is a class problem. He sold at 3/4 of the selling price and he incurred a loss of 10%. This is very important concept. He is selling two bullock carts at the same price. So SP is same for both of these. One was sold at 20% profit. So this is the cost price. Let's assume this is X. And this is the total cost price and this is the total selling price. They have to be same if there is no profit or no loss. So then X has to be 7. So the loss percentage this much. This is a very beautiful approach in these kinds of problems. Now if you see here, the CP and SP are different, and there are two conditions in which we approach the selling. Now based on this we can find the values. Here he said with 40% profit he will be able to sell at 700. Now he asked what is the selling price at 10% profit. You got to use numbers pretty well here. If it is 5 at 40% profit you will get 7, and so this is how you got to use. This is a wonderful problem. Again, this is an approach of using numbers. He said with this much profit 20% profit is there. Now we have to assume values, so we have to convert this profit into ratio and then we will assume the values, and then the first step is assumption of values and then apply the conditions. And what we can do later on is actually, and we can find out the new SPs, and then we can calculate the new SP, new profit percentage. These are the two beautiful problems. There are three middlemen who undergo different transactions and at different ways. One has profit, one, and the other one has profit. The last one has loss, and this is the situation. Now if 180 units is 600, how much is 150 units? So this is how we can approach this problem as well. This is a simple question with a simple logic. 10 kgs are apples are cost 405 and 1 kg are rotten. So the rest, in order to gain 10% on each, we have to find the cost price of each apple, and to gain 10% on this you have to give 10% and you have to find the SP.